In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet in Smartsheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the sheet you want to copy already created. Then, go ahead and open that project sheet. You can do this from your home screen or from a workspace, depending on how your Smartsheet environment is set up. Once the sheet is open, you should be looking at it in the main grid view. Next, we're going to open the Sheet Options menu. Look toward the top of the screen for the sheet name and the toolbar around it. There will be an icon or a small drop-down arrow associated with the sheet or with more options. Click on the highlighted menu in that area. This is usually where Smartsheet groups actions like saving, renaming, and duplicating. When that menu opens, look through the options and click on the next highlighted area that brings up more actions related specifically to the sheet itself. This might be labeled More Actions, or it may appear as an icon with 3 dots. The goal here is simply to get to the place where Smartsheet lets you duplicate or copy the sheet. Once that secondary menu is visible, click on the highlighted option that reveals the duplicate or copy controls. In this context, you're looking for the word Duplicate. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. This tells Smartsheet you want to create a new sheet based on the one you already have. After you click Duplicate, a dialog box will appear asking where you want to save the new sheet. Click on Browse to choose the location. This is helpful if you organize your work into different workspaces or folders and you want your copy to land in the right place immediately. In the Browse window, click on the highlighted folder or workspace where you want to store this new sheet. If you have a specific project folder or a team workspace, select that so everything stays organized. Then, confirm your choice by clicking on the next highlighted area, which will lock in that destination. Once you've chosen the location, click OK in the dialog box. This confirms both the destination and any default settings for the copy. Finally, click on Duplicate one more time to complete the process. Smartsheet will create the new copy of your sheet in the location you selected, keeping your original sheet unchanged while giving you a fresh version to work with.